Yo, what's up guys? I just discovered something new about the Insta360 Ace, the one I'm using right now. This is not the Pro version, this is the regular version, pero sa mga hindi nakakaalam, you can actually connect your Insta360 Ace to your intercom. So right now, napapansin nyo, wala akong cables na hawak sa aking paligid and nakasara yung helmet ko, you can still hear my voice. But I am connected to my intercom. So itong intercom na to, SDK, nakalimutan ko yung brand. So, lagay ko na lang sa description. So, sa mga hindi nakakalam guys, this is unsaid update on Insta360 Ace. Try nyo, check nyo kung ano yung mga Bluetooth headsets nyo na pwedeng gamitin. Ito maganda to, magagamit to. Especially sa panahon ngayong maulan. Hindi ka pwede magkabit ng microphone sa Insta360 kasi masisira, mababasa. So, you are maintaining the waterproof level of your camera, but still at the same time you can still have good audio quality. Sayang, ngayon ko lang nalaman, ngayon ko lang na-discover to. Matagal ko na sana siya nagamit. So, yun lang guys. Hope this helps.